Good evening. My name is Incognito, and I am an anonymous representative of Unity Technologies. I am currently covering my face because, as a representative of Unity Technologies, I don't care enough about your concerns to even say this message face to face. With that said, the purpose of this message is to address our latest controversy. We know that you have passionately spoken up about our decision to charge 20 cents for every single download using the Unity engine, and we have come to the following conclusion. We don't care. That's right, we don't. Because we're rich. But why would you be satisfied with just being rich when you can be richer, super rich, disgustingly mega rich? When it comes to money, common sense, and human morality, we never draw the line. But still, our PR team informed us that it is mandatory by law that we provide you with an open letter addressing the criticism. It was a long and boring 5-minute meeting, I must say, but here we are, ready to comply. Does it mean we're going back on our decision? What? Are you crazy? But anyway, we apologize for the confusion and angst the runtime-free policy we announced on Tuesday caused. Of course, we're just doing a fake empathy corporate talk. We don't really care what you think. Speaking is free, and so were our downloads. That's why we took this really easy decision. Again, this was premeditated, as our overlord and President John Riccitiello sold over 2,000 shares before this announcement, making it very clear that this was the intended purpose from the beginning. Coincidence? Of course not, you silly willy dummy. But we've done the extensive job and stretched our goal to make sure that from now on we can leave this clear. Shut up. That's right, shut up. We don't care, and never will. Next time you come up with a complaint, it better come with a dollar bill. Otherwise, we'll call security. And what are you gonna do otherwise? Use a different engine like Unreal Engine or Godot? Pfft, what are you, some kind of animal? Oh, wait. You are. Because you'll be paying us. And anyone who serves our purpose is nothing more than cattle. Oh, would you look at that? My time of caring enough to even speak has run out. I had to go back to work. But thank you for your time. It will be 60 cents from watching this video. No need to complain. We already charged your credit card.